There's over 200 ranking factors in Google's algorithm. So how the heck are you going to have all the time to keep up with all of them so you can improve your rankings and your traffic? There must be an easier way, or maybe even one report that you can use to grow your traffic. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down my favorite SEO report. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. The thing about SEO is a lot of tools out there have very similar reports and features. And the feature I'm going to end up breaking down, I do it through Ubersuggest because you can get it for free. Or if you want to pay for it, there's a lot of other SEO tools that also have this feature. So I want you to go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest and put in your domain name. If you don't have a lot of traffic, then put in one of your competitors' domains that is much more popular. If you're not sure who one of your competitors would be, just do a Google search. So I did a Google search right here for SEO, and I can put in Moz, for example, because they're ranking at the top and I know that they'll get traffic. But for this example, I put neilpatel.com because my site gets traffic, and I've been doing SEO for a while. And what I want you to do is click on similar websites in the navigation. What this report here shows you all the other websites who are similar to yours. Now you'll find that some of these websites aren't too similar and some of them are. So as I'm going through them, I'm going to take out the ones that I know aren't that similar. Like Forbes, even though they rank for some of my same keywords, I know they're not similar on everything. Let's see here. Backlinko, Ahrefs, AdExpresso, not really too similar. WordStream is, SEMrush, WebFX, they could be, but I'm not too familiar with them. Sprout Social, I'm going to remove. And then now I have a decent list of competitors that I know that are similar and I do compete with on a regular basis. Even if they don't do the same exact business as you, if you know that they talk about some of the same stuff and they write similar blog posts, in essence, you would consider them a competitor because you're competing with them on Google for some of the same search terms. Now, what this report shows you is how many keywords your site is getting traffic for and how many keywords your competitors are getting. So as you can see here, HubSpot has 289,000 common keywords with me. But that doesn't mean that I am identical to HubSpot, right? Because I rank for keywords they don't rank for, and they rank for keywords that I don't rank for. But if I click View All under Common Keywords, like this is under HubSpot, this shows me all similar keywords that they rank for, that I also rank for on Google in the top 100 results. I actually want you to focus on Keywords Gap. What Keywords Gap is, it shows you all the keywords that your competitors rank for that you don't rank for. And that's why this is my favorite SEO report. The reason being is this gives me a big list of new keywords that I should be targeting that I may not be. So for example, for HubSpot, I can click View Keywords Gap, click View All, and it'll pull all the keywords. Now, sometimes it may take a few seconds to load because there's a lot of keywords for some of these sites, and it's not a snap of the finger to just load 1.2 million keywords. And what you'll find is that some of the keywords that your competitors rank for is not really relevant for your company, like how to get your contacts. HubSpot offers an email tool. I don't really care to go after that. Or how to get your first client as a financial advisor. Don't care about that too much. So then I'll just keep clicking next, next, next. And as you click next, you'll see more keywords on the list of that 1.2 million. And I'm going to keep going. So I don't care about email marketing trends in 2018 because that's kind of old, or emotional commercials in 2019. But I may care about embedding HTML in Google sites. I may care about, let's see. No, let me click next. And again, as you go through this, you're going to have to dig through the results. It's not as simple as just downloading all of them. You could, but you're going to find a lot of irrelevant ones. WooCommerce marketplace themes. Yes, I would probably go after this keyword because anyone who's doing e-commerce, they could be ideal client for my ad agency, NP Digital. And I would just keep going next, next, next. And I would make a list of all the keywords that my competitors rank for that I don't. And then I want to use that to come up with a list of keywords that I should be going after that are relevant for my business. Like again, I wouldn't want to rank for two-factor authentication options, but I would want to rank for long scroll website examples. The reason being is we offer conversion optimization services at my ad agency, NP Digital, and some people may be looking for long sales letter type web pages, and I can use that to potentially get more leads. Or types of demand in marketing. If people are looking for demand marketing or inbound marketing, or unknown contacts on Facebook Messenger, not too relevant, but maybe somewhat. And I would do this for a lot of my competitors. So here's now me doing this with, actually, let me put WordStream. So as you can see here, I click View All. This is for Keywords Gap. Google Voice, I should try to rank for that. Let's see what else. Google Trends, should try to rank for that. Let me click Next. Sell on Amazon, definitely want to rank for that because we offer Amazon marketing services at my ad agency. Let's see, Google Maps directions, nope. History of Google, nope. Facebook mobile, too generic of a keyword. Ad blocker, definitely not. Competition, online words. So I'm going to keep going. Don't care for free Photoshop. Office supplies, me or me, nope. Instagram stories, I probably want to create articles around Instagram stories because there's just so much traffic around that, and a lot of our clients use Instagram stories. Facebook Business Manager, definitely want to talk about that because I can teach our audience how to use it, which would be great because anyone who's looking to learn how to use Business Manager, I can just say, hey, instead of learning how to use Business Manager, just hire NP Digital where we'll do it all for you so you don't have to learn it. So I can add that call to action. So if I do this for every single one of my competitors, and I'm going to click View All again to close it, and I do it for all the competitors that are relevant, what ends up happening is I'll now have a massive list of keywords that I should be going after that I want other people to find me for, or new people to find me for that my competition ranks for, and I don't. That's why this is my favorite SEO report. And then you would just go and create content around those topics. And if you're not familiar with, hey, what kind of content should I create around these topics, you just Google them. So one of the keywords was Facebook Business Manager. So when I Google Facebook Business Manager, there's Facebook. There's Hootsuite example, how to use Facebook Business Manager. And this could be a great example of, all right, what kind of content do I need to create if I want to rank at the top? And if you do this for all those keywords, you'll get an idea of what you need to do to get more traffic from new keywords. So that's it. I recommend that you check out that report. It's really easy to use. There's a free version of it as well. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If you just want my team to do all this for you, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Thank you for watching.